Head in the clouds, unlocking imagination. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, be in the clouds. If you've ever wondered what it means to have your head in the clouds, then you're in the right place. Let's embark on this journey together to unlock the mysteries behind this expression. Be in the clouds is an idiomatic expression in the English language. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To be in the clouds means to be out of touch with reality. It's often used to describe someone who is daydreaming or lost in their thoughts, not paying attention to what's happening around them. It conjures up the image of someone's head literally being in the clouds, far away from the real world. Let's put this phrase into context with some examples. When the teacher asked Jamie about the answer to the math problem, Jamie, who had been daydreaming, realized he had been in the clouds for the whole class. "You need to get your head out of the clouds and focus on your studies," said the concerned parent, noticing their child's lack of attention to homework. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe someone's mental state when they're not fully present or engaged with the immediate situation. While the exact origin of "be in the clouds" is not clear, it's easy to see how it could have come about. The idea of clouds has long been associated with dreams, imagination, and things that are out of reach or touch. Over time, saying someone's head or mind is in the clouds became a poetic way of stating they are not grounded in reality. Using the phrase, be in the clouds, in conversation is quite straightforward. It's perfect for describing situations where someone is not paying attention, is lost in thought, or is overly imaginative to the point of being impractical. It's a gentle reminder to someone, or even oneself, to come back down to earth and face reality. There you have it, folks. Be in the clouds is more than just a phrase. It's a vivid expression that paints a picture of someone lost in their thoughts, far away from the mundane concerns of everyday life. We hope this video has enlightened you and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is the key to understanding not just others, but also ourselves. Keep your feet on the ground, but don't be afraid to occasionally let your head be in the clouds. Until next time, happy learning!